Alright, so welcome back again. So this is one of the linear series. So let me try to solve the okay. So to accommodate the backer agent to specification, the system and maintain an execution call industry requires the creation of user with no intent chef. So here's your task: create a username with mark no intention. Add server 2. So you can find the infrastructure detail. Okay. So how to create a node enter at this shell? So when we solve the problem, we don't need to remember what command is that, which command do we have to apply for this challenge to deal with the problem, to face the challenge. So no worry about that. We can find on Google or we can ask that any sort of AI. It doesn't matter. So the only thing is we need to try to approach the problem, and we need to try to understand and comprehend the whole backbone of the problem. Alright, so now let me go to app server 2. So app server 2 username is Steve FSTAPP02. So alright, so I will say yes. So app server 2 username is this one, right? So I will copy and I will paste there. So how to create a user with a name mark? So here, so we will copy this. So I don't know, I don't remember. I know, but I don't remember the command. So we have to use sudo user add, something like that. Yeah, sudo user add. So here, we don't need to use no intent edition. That's me. Without login, the user can access to the server. So here we use this command user add. So for to be sure, we can use sudo for user privilege, root privilege. So I will use user add. So this is for new in the edit shell. So username is mark. So here, so the copy and the password I will copy there. Here, so you can find that user is already here. You can find that user is already there or not. So now user is already there with the ID 1001. So we successfully created with the username mark. So here we can understand like here it's already explained. So run one of the following comments dash s and sbin nologin. So that's me no interactive shelf. The preventing the user from logging in interactively. So we don't need to log in, right? So that's why we use the sbin login. Alright, so that's finished for this lab. So we check it out. Yeah, that's it. So alright, so see you in the next video. I will stop for this lab right here. Stop and yes.